Alright, this video is to help you replace a rear view camera on a Cadillac XTS. You will need a 8mm socket, a 10mm socket, and a 9/32 socket. There's two bolts or screws that you need to remove from the trim back here. Unclip the liner in the trunk. There's a handle here which has a screw as well, and then as you can see with the light, there's 4 bolts, 2 right above here, 1 over here, and then another one over here. Then gently pull the trim and it will come out. Careful with the harness here. Now instead of breaking anything here, I cut the old camera because I have a new one. I don't need the old one anymore. And then I'm just gonna tuck it in nicely. And that's that. Maybe 30, 40 minutes, you should be done. All right.